Good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2014. So we've got today and tomorrow. Last 2 days of 2014 for trading. Let me show you my game plan here. We are looking at the SSO ETF. It's the ProShares Ultra S&P 500. As you can see, the market has made all-time highs here in the last couple days here. Yesterday made an all-time new high. But what we see here is, look at yesterday. Yesterday took out the prior Friday's high and Friday's low, closing kind of like in the mid-range, barely above the mid-range. Yes, it's supposed to be the Santa Claus rally, and it's supposed to take place even after Christmas up until the last day of the year, right? And then you would look for potentially the market to sell off on Friday, this Friday, maybe next week. And I'm gonna take you back to last year in January and what the market did. So right here, I've been long the SSO since 126, right down here. Okay, long at 126. My stop for today, if the market is able to take out this low, the low of 131.16, 130.95 is my stop. 130.95. So long at 126. Okay. My trailing stop now is at 130.95, and if 130.95 is broken on an intraday basis, hasn't been hit yet, it's come close, but it hasn't hit. If it hits, it takes me out of this long position, and then what I'll be looking to do if the 130.95 is hit, on any bounce after hitting 130.95, I will be looking to buy puts, getting ready for Friday and next week's move, potentially to the downside, some type of little early January correction of some sort. Okay, so that's my game plan. Let's back this up and take a look at last January. All right, last January. See exactly what we did here. This right here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, this is better. All right, so right in here, right there. This is the beginning of last year. We got a pullback in the first week and a half, came up, barely made new highs, then had a nice pullback pretty much the rest of January. So January started right in here, went sideways, pulled back a little bit that first week of January of 2014, came up, tested the highs, failed at the highs, and came down the rest of January, bottoming out near the beginning of February. And that's what I'm looking for. Now, will the pullback be of this magnitude this year? I don't know. Nobody knows, right? But what I'm going to get ready for is I'm going to get ready for some type of pullback. And it's looking very similar to last year in the fact that we've got some price action that's telling us that the market wants to pull back. Okay, again, yesterday we had an engulfing pattern, pretty much neutral. Okay, neutral to bullish, okay? But the more important thing is, look at the market has opened up lower today, and so far, okay, so we opened up lower today, right? This is where it closed yesterday, opened up here, tried to rally a little bit, we failed, and we've come down. And so far, we're trending lower. We haven't attempted to try to fill that gap at all this morning, and it is 10:12. So the market's been open for 42 minutes. Unless this high is broken, okay, I think we move lower. Now, but my number on the SSO, again, is 130.95. If we hit 130.95, then I'm going to be a put buyer looking for that. So today's low is 131.12. My number is 130.95. If we hit 130.95 on the SSO, okay, then on any pullback, on any bounce up off of that after hitting 130.95, I'll be a buyer of puts. Probably, January puts, okay, in the money as well. So if you're buying puts in the money, the strike price is going to be higher rather, higher than where you're selling it. So if it's trading at 130, let's say 132, 133 would be in the money puts. Okay, so that's my game plan. So I'm still long the SSO from 126. My stop is at 130.95. If 130.95 is hit, I'm out of that long position, and I will be looking to buy puts, looking for the first week or two of 2015 to give us some type of pullback. So that's my game plan. Okay. Have a profitable day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Let's see what happens today. Bye for now.